Good morning, YouTubers. T-Square with T-Square Talks. Hope everybody's having a great Tuesday. It is Tuesday morning, and I got a good video to talk about. I don't really have a topic that anybody asked me specifically for. However, I got a topic, more of an encouragement topic. And so we're going to talk a little bit about that today. What do I mean by encouragement topic? Something to kind of motivate you to keep stacking, something for you to think about, something to make you understand that you're doing the right thing. If you're still stacking right now, you're doing the right thing, because things are probably going to be changing. And when they do, a lot of people are going to be regretting that they didn't buy. We're going to use some past examples. We're going to use some current stuff. And we're going to jump right in. If you guys enjoyed today's video, help me out by hitting that thumbs up button. It helps me more than you know. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please take a quick minute, hit that subscribe button. Leave me a comment. Let me know your thoughts. So I've been seeing a lot of comments and hearing a lot of people telling me that, coin shops in their area are starting to get more stuff again. Inventory is building up. People are selling and they're getting discouraged. We didn't see big gains right off. No big swing has happened. We've got silver barely up today in overnight trading, because keep in mind, I'm filming this video at roughly 1 in the morning on Tuesday morning. So we're not really seeing anything huge yet. But I mean, as of right now, I'm pulling up as I'm talking, the silver price. We've got the silver price literally at $30.91. Think about that for a minute. $30.91. I know there's a little discouragement out there, but here's the thing you got to understand. Silver is only $1.50 away from its 11-year high. $1.50. We have seen $1.50 swings in an hour, literally. In a day, you might see, in some cases, we've seen a $2.50 swing in one day. A lot of people think that, it must be coming down. Not really. In fact, it's doing a great job consolidating at these numbers. And the important thing to look at, I believe, is the price of gold. Gold's sitting at 24, and I didn't even realize it was this close, $2,431. Nobody's talking about that. Why is that number important? Because we're only $9 away from its all-time high. At some point in the near future, we're going to see one of these days, probably today maybe even. We could see it today. At the time of you watching this video, you could be commenting right now, are you kidding me? Gold just hit its all-time high again. It could happen. And it's close to happening. And when it does, it's going to make the news. If it closes higher, it's going to make the news. Once gold has a good pump, realistically, a lot of money is going to flow into silver again. With only $1.50 away from its all-time, it's 11-year, I want to be careful, 11-year high on silver, that will start getting media attraction too. And as that happens, more money is going to flow into both of these metals, and it's going to drive the prices even higher. And when that happens, a lot of people that have been on the sidelines, or they've been saying, coin shops they're taking in too much inventory right now, the prices ain't doing much, I'm discouraged. You know what? I like buying personally when a lot of people are selling. I like buying when there's nothing big going on. I think there's a lot of opportunity right now. And I think a lot of people are going to miss this opportunity. Where do I think silver price is going to go? I don't know in the short run, even the long run. I just know it's going to go a whole lot higher. It's not financial advice, just my opinion. I did a short video earlier where I was actually using a clip from someone that was doing an analysis on silver, where he was talking about industrial demand. This is a metal that has huge technology uses. And as technology continues to grow, green energy, you can say, continues to grow, more energy, self-sufficientness grows, you can expect the price of silver is probably going to continue to grow. Solar panels, electronic cars, a lot of different things are going to push silver demand even higher. Now, some people want to say, Well, if we go into a depression, how's that really going to play out? Because during depressions, a lot of stuff comes down. You're right. A lot of stuff does come down. But what will really be coming down? Manufacturing would slow down. Building would slow down. Well, when manufacturing and building slows down, what happens to mining? Well, the mining slows down, especially mining on industrial metals that are heavy industrial, like I'm going to say silver, copper, a lot of that stuff. So if the mining slows down, but here's the flip thing. That's good. That could potentially bring some pressure on copper, silver, gold, all that type of stuff. But the thing is, in a depression or a major recession, what else happens? Well, a lot of people get nervous. And they get nervous and they want safe haven assets. Well, copper and silver are different in this aspect because silver and gold are safe haven assets. Some people will say only gold, and that's, if you believe that, that maybe. I don't believe that. I believe when gold goes up, silver goes up. A lot of people will want to put their money in safety, and I believe they're going to go to, the majority of the people are going to go to silver. Why? Because gold is high in people's minds. It's an all-time high almost. You know, $9 away from an all-time high is, already people moving money into it. You have an opportunity right now to buy gold, buy silver, to stack at what I believe are low prices. The big money has been moving into gold and silver, but the average everyday money is not moving into it yet heavy. At a certain point, we're going to see stuff change, and you're going to see the masses flood into gold and silver, kind of like we've seen in some countries, just not here in the U.S. yet. But I believe it's coming. When that happens, you're going to see the price really go up. And the momentum behind it, and everybody always wants to buy in when stuff's going up. Remember when silver was $22, not even 5 months ago, 6 months ago? $22 silver. It seemed like it was getting beat up, and everybody got nervous and didn't want to buy. Well, once it had that big jump, shot up to $30, all of a sudden everybody wants to start buying. It's funny how people's habit is buy high, sell low, when they teach you just the opposite, to buy low, sell high. Buy when literally other people are struggling. That's when you want to be buying. And I believe that's happening right now. There's a lot of struggling in the economy. The markets are essentially in trouble, even though people aren't seeing it yet. Why are they not seeing it? Because if enough people keep saying the lie, people will start to believe the lie. I believe, you look at the amount of houses that are for sale out there. You look at the amount of credit card debt that's being basically let go of, I guess you can say, written off. You start to see what's really happening out there. And at some point, the opportunity is going to be off the table. And if you haven't taken advantage of the opportunity yet, what price are you going to take advantage of it at? Are you going to wait until silver's $100 an ounce and then you're going to be buying? It's a question I get asked a lot. Who's going to be buying silver when silver hits $100? The same thing was said when silver was $5 an ounce. If silver ever goes to $20, $25, no one's going to buy it. Look now what it's at. Think about gold. When gold was $35 an ounce, it will never go up. Can you imagine 300? Nope. Nobody would buy it at 300 or 400. Everybody bought it at 300 or 400, drove the price all the way up. Then at 300 or 400, can you imagine 2,000? No one would buy it. Everybody bought it at 2,000. And now you fast forward to today, here we are at another all-time high, and it's looking like it's going to continue to go higher. We're not even as high, I believe, this year as we are going to see. I think that easily we could see $3,000 gold this year. Now, some people are going to think that's crazy. I don't think so. I think easily we're going to see $35 silver within this month or next month. At some point, something is going to happen that's going to trigger a little bit of fear. When the fear comes, people are going to get nervous. They're going to push their money into gold and silver. Like I say, this is not financial advice. This is just my thoughts, but you watch. Look what's been happening. Look what's been happening around the world. You've got more and more tensions. Things are getting worse. More and more people are getting scared. More and more people are getting tired of the wasteful spending. As this continues to happen, people will eventually start voting with their wallets. They're going to want to put their money somewhere else, somewhere that they can see good gains. That's why I believe the banks now are giving higher interest on CDs and stuff. Why? Because they know that people are pulling their money. The faster they pull their money, the weaker the system gets, the banking system. And as it continues to get weaker, eventually the bridge will collapse. And money, simply put, what gives this value? It's faith. Faith in the dollar. The more people lose faith in the dollar, whether that be countries, whether that be everyday American citizens, it doesn't matter. The more people lose faith in this, it's going to be worth less. Think about a world for a minute where no one wants dollar bills. Well, what's going to happen to them? The one or two people, last people in the game, are going to be holding all the dollar bills, and no one's going to want them. And they're not even going to want any more because they're going to have too many of them. You're not going to see that with silver. Nobody has too much gold, too much silver. They're going to want to get more. So, it comes down to what can you buy with it? What kind of value does it have? I hear all the time, oh, you can't go to a store and buy something with silver. The heck you can't. I've gone to stores and I've traded an ounce of silver for the items I need. I've even did videos showing it. So anybody that says it can't be done only needs to go back and look at those videos. People out there want silver and gold. Some people want it for different reasons. Some people want it because they know it has value. Some people want it because my dad saved it maybe. My mom collected it. I learned about it from my grandfather. It doesn't matter. They want it, which means they're willing to part with goods or services to get it. And that's going to continue. But here's the thing. The price of it is going to continue to go higher and higher and higher and higher. And eventually, people are going to be stuck paying big bills to get it. You can have the opportunity to prepare today and start getting it at cheaper prices. With that being said, a little shorter of a video today. I hope everybody enjoyed the video. I thank y'all for watching. If you did, don't forget, hit that thumbs up. Please hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed. And leave me a comment. Let me know your thoughts. I'm going to keep buying. These prices, I think, are still decent. I'd love to see a little bit lower. But if not, I'm still stacking. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys again next time on T-Square Talk. Take care, everybody, and have a great day. Bye-bye.